Did you know that you can enable premium integrations in Checkpoint in a matter of minutes? In this video, I'll get you through the process of installing Maltiverse Command and Controls feeds into Checkpoint. Let's go for it. Logging into Maltiverse.com. We go to Integrations in the left menu, and from the Integrations catalog we select Checkpoint. Here we can find a list of available feeds. Let's an example click on the Command and Controls one. By scrolling down, we have the detailed integration instructions we are following right now. So it's time to open the Checkpoint Smart Console client. Put login credentials. In Security Policies, we click on Threat Prevention. Indicators. New. External IOC feed. By filling up this formulary, we are creating a new integration with an external IOC feed. We just need to add the values provided by Maltiverse to set it up, so let's copy the feed name. Feed URL. Now we test the connectivity. And everything is working fine. OK to save. And now we have onboarded the Maltiverse Command and Control feed into Checkpoint. Finally, we need to install the policy. Publish and install. Click on Install. And the installation of the feed is finished. We have now onboarded a feed with IPs of online command and control servers that will trigger an alert in the antivirus blade whenever a contact is produced. You can also decide if you set up this feed in prevention mode to not only detect, but also block those malicious communications.